Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a server through VeryGames and their control panel that runs a mod pack that VeryGames themselves don't supply you with. So in this scenario, or in this case, I'm going to use the Direwolf 20 mod pack because that's the one I'm actually updating to myself. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find where to download your Modpacks server files. So in my case, that would be on this page here. I'll put the links for these in the descriptions if you guys are also updating from Direwolf 20. But I'm upgrading to 1.3, so I'd come over here to where it says 1.3. I'd scroll down to the server files and I'd hit this download button here. Now that will download this file here. So these are your server files. This is a WinRAR archive. So you're going to do is you're going to want to open this. You're going to want to drag it over, and you're going to want to extract it anywhere. So I've already got a folder set up called Direwolf. Going to select all them, drag and drop them in there. There we go. So that's that sorted. So after that's done, you're going to want to go over to mcversions.net. Now you'll have to find out what version of Minecraft your mod pack or mods run on. So the Direwolf mod pack runs on 1.10.2. So I'm going to go to 1.10.2, hit the server jar, and that will download. Where is it? This file here called server jar. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to drag that into your Direwolf folder. Also, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to rename it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, wherever you just pasted your server jar, you're going to want to rename it to Minecraft underscore server. Yep. Dot and then the version. So for example, if you're running 1.11.2, you call it Minecraft underscore server dot 1.11.2. But I'm running 1.10.2, so I'm going to call mine Minecraft underscore server dot 1.10.2. So that's now in there with the FTB server. Okay. So don't need that for a second. So now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to your VeryGames account, and you're going to want to click your services management or wherever. So essentially, you want to end up. So this is our server here. You want to click manage, and then we get to this screen. So after this, what we're going to want to do, we're going to want to go to games. So you're going to want to go to new game install, scroll down to open mod. Doesn't matter on the version because there's only one, and you're going to want to call it whatever you want. So I'm just going to call it Direwolf 130 because it doesn't allow you to have dots. So 1.3.0 install. So what that's now going to do is that's going to install the game here. Action launched. Brilliant. As you can see, we've now got Minecraft open mod, Direwolf 130, as that's what we called it. So now what you want to do is go to your FTP. Okay, so once it's been created in games, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to create a login and create an FTP access. And you want to go customer folder and find the folder that it's just created here. So Minecraft open mod Direwolf 130. So we're going to want to hit create the FTP access. So that's now going to go ahead and create it for us. Okay, so now it's created our FTP access down here. We're going to log in with this access. Now, this is what you should be greeted with. We've got the Minecraft openmod.jar, the EURelay.txt, and all of this good stuff. So what you're going to, remember that folder we created earlier, or that we extracted it to earlier? What you're going to want to do, is you're literally going to want to copy all of this and literally drag and drop it in. So now it's going to go through uploading all the files. Okay, so now all our files have transferred. It should look something like this. You won't have a world file if you've never run the server. We just had one from before. So once you've copied all those files over, you're going to want to log out of your WebFTP and go back to your main panel here. So now you're going to go back to the games panel, and the game you created, so here Direwolf 130, you're going to want to hit change. Now you want to select, you've got three options here. You've got Minecraft over mod.jar, Minecraft server.jar. You want to select FTB server, that one, .jar, and then validate. So that will go through everything. Okay, so after we've changed that, you should see this under the version of the game we've created. And then the last thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change the active game to the game you've just created and then hit validate. And then after that, you should be up and running. If you've got any problems, just put them in the comments down below. I'll try and answer them. But other than that, thanks for watching, and hope I was of help.